We live in an age where technology is power. The nation that builds the fastest supercomputer, the most advanced jet, or the smartest AI doesn't just make headlines, it defines the future. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Not every breakthrough is born from years of research and billions in funding. Some are stolen. Extracted not by engineers, but by hackers, digital ghosts operating from hidden rooms and state-funded labs. While Silicon Valley, Berlin, and Tokyo invest in legitimate R&D, somewhere else, those same innovations appear almost instantly. Too fast. Too similar. And when you look closer, you find the fingerprints of cyber espionage, a modern shortcut to global dominance. Welcome to the channel where we explore how cyber warfare, technology, and power collide. If you believe in building a safer, more secure digital society, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it to help raise awareness. Every time you do, you help strengthen the human firewall, one viewer at a time. Now let's uncover how hackers helped fuel China's meteoric tech rise, one stolen secret at a time. Developing cutting-edge technology is like climbing a mountain, slow, painful, and expensive. But hacking? That's like finding a tunnel straight through it. China's economic miracle isn't just about manufacturing power. A darker part of its ascent involves decades of coordinated cyber espionage, bridging the gap between domestic and foreign innovation. Imagine this. OpenAI releases a revolutionary AI system, backed by billions and years of trial and error. Months later, a nearly identical system surfaces in China, remarkably capable, impossibly fast. That's not innovation. That's replication through infiltration. Experts have a name for it, the digital blueprint heist. By stealing code, designs, and scientific models, China effectively skips years of R&D, starting at the finish line while others are still running. And it's not theoretical. The evidence is written across industries, courtrooms, and declassified intelligence reports. Let's look at the real-world case files. Case 1, the Wind Turbine Code, AMSC. In 2011, American Superconductor, or AMSC, created a revolutionary control system for wind turbines. Their software stabilized giant blades in unpredictable winds, making renewable energy vastly more efficient. Then, overnight, the company collapsed. Investigators discovered that one employee, Dejan Karabasevic, had stolen AMSC's core source code and handed it to Sinovel, a Chinese firm and former client. Sinovel cancelled its contracts and began using the stolen code in its own turbines. The result? AMSC lost over $1 billion in market value and nearly 700 jobs. For China, it was as if 10 years of R&D were compressed into one act of theft. One stolen hard drive powered an entire industry. Case 2, the silent fighter jet, F-35 and J-20. Next, the skies. When China unveiled its stealth fighter, the J-20 Mighty Dragon, defense analysts worldwide noticed something uncanny. It looked eerily similar to the F-35 Lightning II, America's most advanced jet. Between 2009 and 2014, hackers infiltrated multiple US defense contractors. A Chinese national, Su Bin, later pleaded guilty to conspiring to steal designs for the F-22 and F-35. They exfiltrated terabits of classified data, including radar-evading technology and flight systems. Not long after, China's jet suddenly incorporated stealth inlet designs nearly identical to the F-35's. Coincidence? The timeline says otherwise. It was a shortcut worth billions, and a strategic leap measured in decades. Case 3, the nuclear blueprint breach. Even nuclear power wasn't spared. Cyber intrusions into Westinghouse electric targeted reactor blueprints, decades of innovation in safe nuclear design. Those stolen designs helped Chinese state firms accelerate their own nuclear programs and compete globally. The pattern is clear. Each cyber attack doesn't just copy, it compresses time, pushing China years ahead while slowing others down. And behind every breach lies an invisible network, one that operates with precision, patience, and purpose. So, how do they do it? It's not brute force. It's patience, precision, and people. These operations begin with a single phishing email, a resume, a partnership request, or a fake invoice. A click, a download, and malware quietly enters the system. Then, like a spy novel unfolding in code, hackers move laterally from one device to another, from vendors to clients, until they reach the crown jewels, R&D data, source code, defense plans. These are known as Advanced Persistent Threats, or APTs. Groups like APT-10, Stone Panda, and APT-41, Double Dragon, are notorious. They've infiltrated everything from NASA to pharmaceutical labs. APT-10 even compromised managed service providers, MSPs, giving them indirect access to hundreds of companies at once. Think of it like breaking into a janitor's closet and finding master keys to every door in the building. And these aren't rogue criminals. They operate with state-level coordination, working in the service of national strategy. Each stolen terabyte fuels China's ambition to dominate global industries faster, cheaper, and smarter. But the question is, how much of an edge does this really give them? Let's zoom out and look at the global impact of these stolen blueprints. Let's step back and look at the impact. Why do so many Chinese products, from smartphones to servers, seem to appear right after Western launches? Because cyber theft collapses the innovation timeline. Case study: Nortel Networks. Once a telecom titan in Canada, Nortel led the world in fiber optics and switching systems. Starting in 2004, hackers breached their systems for nearly a decade, accessing executive emails and 400+ sensitive documents. By 2009, Nortel was bankrupt. The same year, Huawei began its meteoric global rise, armed with eerily similar product roadmaps. The domino effect continued across sectors: pharma, semiconductors, and artificial intelligence. In 2020, amid the pandemic, hackers targeted vaccine research labs in the US and Europe, attempting to replicate vaccine formulas. In recent years, chip design firms have reported infiltration attempts aimed at bypassing sanctions by replicating advanced architectures. Each cyber attack rewires the balance of power. One country accelerates, the rest lose trust, revenue, and competitive edge. But this isn't just about corporate losses. The fallout extends far beyond boardrooms and patents. Every time a secret is stolen, the cost spreads. Startups lose investors. Scientists see their life's work commercialized abroad. And nations lose strategic leverage. The result: innovation slows. Trust erodes. The message to the world's creators becomes chillingly clear. Why spend years inventing what someone else can steal in seconds? But the defense isn't just firewalls, it's people. And that brings us to the final act, the human factor. Behind every major breach is a simple human moment, a misplaced click, a reused password, an overlooked alert. Cybersecurity isn't just a national issue, it's a human responsibility. Every person in a company is a potential entry point or a barrier. Strong, unique passwords. Multi-factor authentication. Constant vigilance. They sound simple, but they're what stand between safety and disaster. Remember, technology defends networks. But people defend nations. And as we move into an age defined by data and algorithms, our vigilance will define our survival. In the digital age, the front lines of global power aren't on battlefields, they're inside data centers, labs, and servers. Some nations climb through innovation. Others dig tunnels through espionage. The lesson: protect your code like it's your country. Because in a world where data is power, the theft of one secret can reshape the balance of global progress. Stay aware. Stay secure. And remember, the future belongs to those who can protect it. Subscribe for more deep dives into cybersecurity, espionage, and global tech.